I'm on a trail run and I am testing out my new trail running bag. So let's go, let's start the trail. So this is how the bag looks. This is the front view. Two straps here, tighten up, and this is the back view. This is the main compartment where you will put your bladder. Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm on a trail run and I am testing out my new trail running bag. So this is Tripole Wire. So it is a 5-liter trail running bag, and see on the trail how it goes. Is it worth the price? Although it doesn't cost much, and I'll tell you the cost and all the specifications of this bag. So let's go, let's start the run. I don't know, this is the trail, so you can hear birds running here and there. So let's go, let's start the trail. So the initial impressions are great. Let's see, this is my first run in this bag, and let's see, I'll take a small trail run and let's see how it goes. So by the way, I'm running the old tunnel trail in reverse direction. So I started from the tunnel from where we end on our mountain bikes, and I am going in the opposite direction. So this is the trail going on, and it goes all the way to Nagali. So I am on this trail. देखते हैं थोड़ा आगे तक जाते हैं and have a quick review on the specs, on the pockets. कितनी pockets हैं, कितना space है, कितना सामान मैं लेके आया हूँ. What about these soft flask pockets? So I guess that's it. ट्रेल तो बहुत आगे तक है. ये जो ऊपर से रोड आ रहा है, नगाली में जाके इसमें मिल जाती है ये ट्रेल. So I guess I'll take a break and I'll quickly review this bag and see how the quality is, how the specs are, how many pockets are there. Is it worth the quantity, is worth the 5-liter quantity, is worth, or you might need a bigger bag. So let's see. So this is how the bag looks. This is the front view. Two straps here, tighten up, and this is the back view. Now let's head into the bag and let's see how it goes. So this is how the bag looks. Heading into the pocket, this is the main compartment where you will put your bladder and the water bladder. The company states it can fit a 3-liter bladder can fit into this. So let's see the pockets. First of all, let me remove these flasks. I have my phone here, let me empty it. So this is the bag. Now I have wallet and GoPro battery there. So this is the main pocket here, and inside we have one pocket towards your back. This is for your bladder, and you have a hook for the bladder. So be sure that you buy a bladder in which the hook placement is at the center. So this is the first pocket. It is for the water bladder. Then you have one another full size pocket. It goes till here, and then inside this pocket you have a zipper pocket as well. So there's plenty of space, काफ़ी जगह है इसमें. And here I have kept my wallet and one GoPro battery. So that's it. It is almost a full size pocket. So you can see the full size pocket. The zipper pocket is also full size. Now the capacity of this backpack is 5 liters. So what I have done today, I have brought one rain gear, although I have not packed it properly like this, and the phone and 2 bladders, and the GoPro, my GoPro setup, the 3-way, and the GoPro and the gimbal. Now talking about the front, let's see. These are the 2 pouch for the soft flasks. Each can carry a flask of capacity 500 ml. So what I am doing on the right side, I have put this 500 ml flask like this, and on the left side this is a 250 ml flask. So why I have done this, I'll explain you. Like this, and the pocket for the phone, the zipper pocket. I would say for modern day phone the pocket is little small, like this is Realme GT Neo 2. Okay, so for this the pocket is a little, I would say a little phone, but इससे छोटा phone होगा तो आराम से आ जाएगा, like this. Then you have separate pockets. यहाँ पे भी एक pocket है, and you have a small pocket here also. यहाँ भी एक छोटी सी pocket है. On this side you don't have any other pocket, so that's it. These are the waist straps tight करने के लिए, and that's it about the pockets. So I'll show you how I wear this. So I have filled all my essentials, the bladders at the front and the rain gear, my wallet at the back. So let's see. All set. Back at the front. Now let me tell you one thing. The adjustable straps, these are not the straps, these are not adjustable. You cannot set the height or the placement according to you. So they are fixed, they are stitched, so you cannot change. Remember that. So this is my smaller flask, one for water and the other for the rehydration drink. 250 ml is enough for me. Like why I have bought. Now remember one thing, let me tell you, this bag doesn't come with the hydration bladder, and if you want an hydration bladder you can buy that separately. Tripol का भी आता है, and you have multiple brands. Decathlon, you can buy any one. 3 liter तक इसकी capacity है. You can fit a 3 liter bladder inside it, and it have proper space for the that bladder pipe. जो उसकी पाइप होती है उसके लिए एक प्रॉपर स्पेस है इसमें यहाँ से, so it doesn't show. यहाँ से आएगा, and there you have proper loops for that also. These are the 2 loops for the bladder pipe. Now what I have done, I am not generally a fan of the water bladders. One thing that पानी जो है वो गर्म हो जाता है from the heat of your back, and the other thing, I want to use the back side, the capacity of this for my other essentials like rain gear, maybe a stove and gas can whenever I go for a run and have some coffee on the runs, and so that I need that space for that. But what I have done, it doesn't come with any bladder, it doesn't come any flasks. So these are the flasks which I have bought separately. I'll provide you the link. So this is a 500 ml flask, half a liter flask, and this is from Puma. This is a 250 ml flask. So this can be used as a dehydration drink, one, and this as water. So this is my personal preference. You want to have a bladder, you can buy a bladder, you can place it inside and you can set up like that. So this, I guess this was it. If you have any questions regarding this bag, so you can ask me in the comment section. So let's head back to my bike. बाइक पे आया था ट्रेल के स्टार्ट पॉइंट तक, एंड चलते हैं वापस अब. एंड ऑन द वे बैक लेट्स हैव सम शॉट्स ऑन दिस बैग. So it's time to head back. So this was just a review, quick review. I don't know how to review, I'm not a reviewer. ये actually एक general user के point of view से एक review था. So if you have any questions, so particularly I can give you the solution for that. If you have any query, any question regarding this product, because YouTube पे I tried finding its videos, लेकिन एक भी वीडियो नहीं मिली थी. So I thought कि क्यों ना एक रिव्यू कर दूँ, because the cost of this bag is just 1200 rupees. Yes, that's it, without the bladder. Remember, bladder, soft flasks are not part of this bag, only the bag. So I was confused between this and the one that comes from Decathlon. Decathlon में एक बैग आता है. Currently it is available in blue color and it costs 3000 rupees, 2999. उसके साथ 1 लीटर का bladder available है. So there are few things कि first of all, if you don't want the bladder, तो वो बिना bladder के available नहीं है. Second thing, ये बिना ब्लैडर के अवेलेबल था, कॉस्टिंग रुपीज़ 1200. सेकेंड थिंग कि इसमें 2 लूप्स आर देयर, पीछे लूप्स है, बाहर मैश पॉकेट है, जो बताना भूल गया था मैं, बाहर मैश पॉकेट भी है इसमें एक, जिसमें आप कोई विंड चीटर या कुछ रख सकते हो. एंड लूप्स आर फॉर द ट्रैकिंग पोल्स, लाइट ट्रैकिंग रनिंग पोल्स के लिए देयर आर लूप्स एज वेल. So loops are quite handy when you are running a large distance. So loops में आप trekking poles को लगा सकते हो. That loops for the trekking pole are not available in the one that is available with Decathlon. Decathlon वाले बैग में loops available नहीं है. I guess, I don't remember, होंगे तो let's see. Second thing, obviously the cost. It costs just rupees 1200 rupees, 1198. ट्राइपॉल की ओरिजिनल साइट पे भी अवेलेबल है. आई गेस फ्यू अदर साइट्स पे भी है. मैंने जो है वो अमेज़ॉन से ऑर्डर किया था, विद इन 5-6 डेज़ आ गया है. एंड दीज फ्लास्क ये मैंने सेपरेटली बाय किए हैं. सो वन इज़ अ 500 ml फ्लास्क एंड द अदर वन इज़ 250 ml फ्लास्क. 500 फ्लास्क भी मैंने अमेज़ॉन से ही परचेज़ किया है. एंड दिस वन इज़ फ्रॉम प्यूमा वाला है. 250 ml फ्लास्क अमेज़ॉन पे अवेलेबल नहीं था, ना ही कहीं और था अवेलेबल. सो मिंत्रा से ये ऑर्डर किया था एंड ये आज ही पहुंचा है. एंड आई हैव टेकन दिस बैग फॉर अ क्विक रिव्यू. सो लेट्स गो. दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माई साइड. लेट्स एन्जॉय सब रनिंग क्लिप्स. So that's the end of my trail. Let's go home. GoPro, stop recording.